Hey guys, listen, we're on our way to our construction job where we've got to do some filling. It's been a bright, early, cool morning, and yeah, it's going to be interesting, but we'll most probably see you at the construction site, so look forward to it. Check you just now, bye. So this is the area we're going to be taking up. We're going to be taking up this deck, removing everything, then filling it again, compacting, and putting a new concrete floor, and then we're going to tile everything. Hey guys, so what you can see now is we started taking off the deck, and we found, as you can see, there's quite a bit of rotten wood right underneath the decking, so hopefully we'll get this done by about 10 o'clock, and we can start building the walls and get the retaining set up and done. The G7 is on its way for filling, and yeah, we'll keep you posted as the day goes and as the project continues. We're about to stomp the yard. Stomp the yard. Stomp the yard. And so we begin stumping, testing, get the levels right for the screeching floor. Hey guys, as you can see, there is so much noise and dust. Let me just turn the camera so that you can see what I'm talking about. As you can see, there is still a lot of compacting still going on. Huey's busy grinding to try and get a big fat concrete slab out so that we can level the stacks here. But let me tell you, we are finished, we are mook. Yeah, that's what you call going up in smoke. And compacting, it's been a long day. We've done about 10 cubes of, which is, it's a lot of tons of sand, big G7 that we've used for compacting. Tomorrow we're going to do one final compacting, and then for the ref 193 reinforcement bars to get the streaking and get this foundation ready for the slab. I am mook. But anyway, we will speak to you later, and we'll show you what's next for the next phase of the project.